On a sunny Saturday morning, a group of friends gathered in the park, excited for their weekly play date. Max, Lily, Sam, and Emma brought their colorful Lego blocks, ready to build something amazing. As they spread the blocks out on a picnic blanket, Emma had a brilliant idea. "Let's build something special today. How about we create an image of Jesus?" The others nodded enthusiastically, their eyes sparkling with excitement. They started by sorting through the blocks, picking out the bright colors that would make their creation stand out. Max grabbed a handful of yellow blocks. "These can be the light around Jesus!" he exclaimed. Lily found some blue and green blocks. "I'll make the sky and grass," she said, her imagination running wild. Sam, always the artist, began sketching a rough outline of what they wanted Jesus to look like, while Emma organized the blocks into different piles. As they built, they shared stories about Jesus. "Did you know he helped people and taught them to be kind?" Sam said, placing a red block for Jesus' heart. "And he loved everyone, even when times were tough," Lily added, carefully stacking the blue blocks to form a halo above Jesus' head. With each block they added, their creation came to life. They laughed and cheered as the image took shape, a vibrant mosaic of colors representing love and kindness. Finally, they stepped back to admire their work. It wasn't just a Lego figure. It was a reminder of the goodness they wanted to share with the world. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over their Jesus Lego image masterpiece, the friends felt a sense of pride. They had built more than just a figure. They had built a symbol of hope and friendship, all with their imagination and teamwork.